In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a project in HoneyBook. If you want to keep your workspace organized and remove older or inactive projects from your active list without deleting them, archiving is a simple and helpful option. This lets you clean up your project view while still keeping the project available for reference later if needed. To get started, log into your HoneyBook account. Once you're signed in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Projects. This will take you to the main area where all of your projects are listed. From here, locate the project you want to archive. If you have a long list of projects, take a moment to carefully scan the names so you choose the correct one. Once you've found it, open the project to view its details. Inside the project, look for the More Options menu. This is typically shown as 3 dots. Click that menu to open the available actions for the project. In the drop-down list, select Archive Project. After you click that option, HoneyBook will usually display an archive confirmation message. This is an important moment to pause and review what the message says. It helps confirm that you're archiving the intended project and reminds you of what will happen once the action is completed. If everything looks correct, confirm that you want to archive the project. After that, wait a few moments while HoneyBook processes the request. In most cases, this happens quickly, but the exact timing may depend on your connection or how the platform is responding at that moment. Once the archive is complete, go back and verify that the project no longer appears in your active projects list. This final check is useful because it confirms that the action was successful and that your active workspace is now a little more organized. Keep in mind that archiving is different from deleting. Archiving is generally meant for projects you no longer need in your day-to-day view, but still want to retain in your account history. That makes it a great option for completed work, paused projects, or anything you may want to reference later. And that's all it takes to archive a project in HoneyBook. Thanks for watching.